Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mention someone in Instagram Reels. Want to mention someone in your Instagram Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to tag or mention someone in Reels quickly. Just follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open and to mention someone in the caption. And to do that, just go to your Instagram app and open it. And after creating your reel, for example, to create your reel, just click on the plus button or swipe left and then select reel from the bottom to record a reel. I'm just gonna click keep editing to edit an existing reel. After that, I'm just gonna click on next, and then here I'm gonna either you can type arrowbas and followed by their username here in the caption, and you can select their profile from the list. Or the second step is to tag someone from by clicking on tag people. Here we're just gonna click tag people and click on add tag, and then search for the user here on the search bar by typing their username and tap and tag them. The third step is to use the invite collaborator feature, and to do that, just go back and click, instead of clicking on add tag, click on invite collaborators, and that's it. You can invite any collaborator you want, and as soon as they accept, they'll be tagged in your video. As for the fourth step is to mention them in the comments or sticker. Now if the reel is already posted, you can mention them in a comment or use a text sticker with the arrow bars in an Instagram story. Now if the person has a private account, they must approve the tag, and mentioning someone notifies them directly and helps boost engagement. And also use trending hashtags and captions along with mentions for more reach. And now you know how to mention someone in Instagram Reels. Use this feature to tag friends, give credits, or collaborate easily. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.